Now that we've learned a little bit about the different types of non-graded materials we can post to Schoology as resources, let's dig in a little deeper. So let's say that I want to add some content into sample folder number 2. And in this screencast, we're going to focus on adding files. When I select Add Materials, we're going to select this option that says Add File, Link External Tool. We're going to select File, and it's going to ask us to attach. Basically, what we're doing is anything that's downloaded onto our hard drive, we can upload into Schoology. The most common types of this that Schoology is definitely going to recognize are going to be, PDFs. So you have a PDF here. Also, PNG and JPEG, those are image files. So I can post images. I can also upload Microsoft Word documents or sheets that are here. These are typically the most common types of things that teachers will provide for resources that they need to upload into Schoology. I'm going to select PDF for now. I'm going to select Open. If I have learning objectives, I can attach learning objectives to this and track that. We're going to take a look at these options down here. If I hover over these 3 dots, it says individually assign. What that means is that every student has the option to access this. So if it's individually assigned, that means that every student in my class can access it. We'll learn more about this probably in either 200 or 300 Schoology, where we can actually create grading groups. So if you're interested in grading groups, go ahead and research Schoology support for grading groups, and they can show you how to assign specific resources to specific groups of students or individual students in your class. It's published to students, so they'll see it immediately as soon as I post it. And I can also copy to courses if I want to. If I have another course where I want this resource to be also, let's say maybe a different period, I can copy it to the course, and it'll copy it in there, and then I go into the course and I can organize it where I want. So for now, we're all set. I'm going to go ahead and click Add. There's the file type. There's the title. If I click the gear over here, again, I can edit it if I want to. I can move it to different folders. I can copy it to another course like we talked about. I can delete it, and then I can save to resources. We're going to talk about saving to resources in lesson 6. That will come later. So right now, I'm going to edit it because I want to change the name. Again, just thinking about the sequence I want my students to go through. I'm going to put a 1 period there. It's an easy tell for my students where they need to start. Now that I have my resource listed here, I can click it and it'll show me what it's going to look like. So when it clicks it, it opens it up to a new Schoology page here. There's the embedded PDF. I can see that these links are live, so students can click these links if there's links here to pop up open to a new tab. Students can click here for the option to download, and then they can also click here to view it in a preview. Go ahead and click sample folder to go back.